Here we are at the Escalon livestock auction. This is the little parking lot in front. And this is the entrance here. You can go into the cafe and the office and the arena. And it's foggy today. It's a real thick, moist, nice fog. It's not real cold out. Now I'm gonna take you along here. I'll show you some of the nice greenery they have. See, the grass is growing over here. This is some of the pens they have. They put cattle here right in on grass. Sometimes they have several, I don't know how many 100 acres of these grass pens. Walk down here. And I'll show you the bigger parking lot then. Now this is coming around the corner. There's the covered chutes and everything, and where they bring cattle in and take them out. This is the other side of the building. Here's some of the people that are here. Got a full crowd. Nice pickups, nice trailers these people have. You can see the prosperity over here at California. Just walking around there at a real nice place to park here. It's easy to get in and out. There's a guy who's got his black cows in there. Everybody's real friendly here to us. Miguel Machado, who owns and runs this and is an auctioneer besides. He's been very pleasant, very nice to work with. I'm gonna walk down here, show you some of these nice trailers. And here's one of the nicest trailers in the whole place, the Holmgren trailer. It's went a lot of miles. Just brought those dandy little ropers over here with no problem at all. Now they did have in here some, I don't know where they went. Oh, there they are down there. Here's the sign they have out here. That was for the Monday sales. And here's for the Wednesday sale. Here's for the Friday sale. And in here he's just got some few little novelty animals. I don't know why they keep them here, but there's one great big steer I want you to see. So he probably won't come over, he's a ways away. There he is, he's grazing out here in this grass they have. It's really fat, great big horns. He's got a few more. Those are some Highlander cross calves he's got in here, and then he's got this spotted mule. There's David, I think, in the red pickup right there. There's kind of a shot over the barn area. And back to the main entrance there. There's David.
Ready to head out.
Yep, I'm ready too.
Go over to load dine, cash the check, come back and get the trailer.
Okay. Some more of the plants that are blooming around here. This is the entrance into the yards here. I'm not sure what these are. Big. They're as tall as I am, just about. I'll come around here. And that's it for Escalon livestock sale.